Hey guys and girls, welcome to video number 5 in my beginners beat series. I'm going to crack straight on with it this time, so here is a video of me playing the beat at 70 BPM. Start playing along once you're confident you know how the beat should sound. So, slightly faster now at 105 BPM. Lastly, here is the drumless track that I have specifically created to work with this beat. It's also at 105 BPM. I've put in some gaps so that you can try out some fills and then attempt to return to the beat afterwards. And you know that if you can do that smoothly each time, you've really got the beat nailed. Okay, give it a go. I hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like to play it again, then rewind it and have another go. Or if not, why not try out one of my other lessons or play-alongs?